Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is my favorite video to film. It is my Boxycharm video. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box for $21 a month, and I don't know how they do it because you get over $100 worth of product in here. Alright, so I'm going to try this on. I'm going to review it. I'm going to let you know what I think of this month's Boxycharm. This is for the month of February. The best month of the year. Okay, please ignore my appearance. I know I look a little bit crazy. My hair is wet. Just got out of the shower. I took a look in the box to see what kind of products I had to try on, and I have some things. So I just have my eyes done because everything else does require to be done on camera a little bit due to the kind of products I got in here. Haven't used any of them, but I will today. If you're wondering what's on my eyes, I'm using the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette. Beautiful. I have a mixture of this brown and these, and as well as this. Not this gold shade here, but I love this. Not really my everyday look, but kind of giving me good vibes here. I can't wait to finish my look. The theme for this month is Afterglow. Very interesting. So let's see what's in here. The first thing is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. No Problem. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, blah, 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 blah. I have heard people use this and they say it's very moisturizing. And you know your girl loves moisture. This alone is $18. Not super expensive. I thought this brand was a little more expensive. I guess not. Let's try it out. I like that it's in a pump. I don't know why I smelled it. Ooh. Instantly felt awesome. I know that's weird. Oh, it feels very, very moisturizing. I like this. Okay, I really like how that made my skin feel. I like that. Let's hope that it does not mess up my foundation. Speaking of that, I'm going to do my normal foundation routine. I'm using the Jeffree Star brush. Love this for foundation. Awesome. Just my normal foundation to see how it looks. I know how this foundation wears. I use it all the time. So I'll be able to tell if it's a difference in the primer. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. And I'll be right back. Okay, this, no issues. My makeup just glided right on. I was able to do my whole face, bronzer, everything, and everything just glided on like normal with this. Nothing out of the ordinary. It does not feel super heavy. It feels very nice, and my skin does not feel dry at all, especially in the places that I usually have dry patches, like right here, around my nose and right on my forehead. Everything, I'm looking in the mirror, it looks poreless. No problem is correct. The next thing in my box is this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan blush. What? Highlighter in the shade Shimmering Swan, and it looks, oh, it feels very nice. Let's get a swatch there. Ooh, okay. Natural glow. More what I'm interested in. Let's apply it. Again, using my Jeffree Star brush. Oh, okay. That is beautiful. Let's blend that in. Oh my goodness. I love that. Holy crap. That looks so nice. It literally is just melting into my skin. It's not like... So I have a scar right here. You won't be able to see it on camera. I'm sorry, but I have a scar that goes right here. And often highlighters will pick it up and it'll kind of like highlight the fact that I have a scar there. It's not, the cigar goes way down to here. So the highlighter is only on the top half, and it's not accentuating that at all, which I'm so thankful for. And it really is just giving me a beautiful, beautiful glow. Oh, I really, really like this. Really, really like that. This is awesome. How much is this? Oh my god, it's kind of expensive. This is $32. And let's see. Velvety smooth highlighter infused with glowing, light reflecting pearlescent pigments will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. That I agree with. Look at that. It's not overly done. It's just perfect. I really, really like this. Pretty Vulgar is actually super expensive, though. I didn't realize. But everything I've used from them I like so far. I've used the powder. I've used a whole palette, I think. And this guy so far. And I'd have to say, this is pretty good. The next thing in here is this Clean Bee. It is a cleanser. I'm not going to open it yet because I have so many cleansers open. I just bought a new one, naturally. I just bought a new one. But it is an ultra gentle facial cleanser. And that's perfect for me. I have kind of weird skin when it comes to cleansers because everything is super dry. And they dry out my skin. But this looks good. Let me smell it because it looks like it smells like honey. And I love that. It kind of smells weird, but there's honey smell in there. And let's read about this one. Soothe, hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. And this is $22. So I will put in the description box down below when I use it what my thoughts are. This next one is a cult classic here on YouTube. And I'm kind of excited to see that it got in the box because I wouldn't expect that. But it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I actually don't particularly love this mascara. I find it flakes on me, but I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I love all mascaras. So I will use it, even though it flakes, I'll use it on a day where I'm not trying to build too much. But let me go ahead and apply this. So many people I know love this. This is my cousin's favorite mascara ever. She actually recently decided she wanted to get back into Boxycharm because she quit Boxycharm for a while. Not because she didn't like it, but she's not super like me with makeup. Like, I need it right now. So she quit because she was getting stuff that, you know, she wasn't going to use, which is totally understandable. But then I was like, Liz, like, look what's in the box. And she was like, no, that's my favorite. And it's not a cheap mascara. That is one side, one kind of application, and it looks nice. It's really bringing these crazy purple blue eyes, you know, kind of completing that look for me there. But I'm going to go ahead and apply the same on the other eye, as well as give it maybe another coat, and I'll be right back. This packaging makes it feel really high-end. I like what it did for my lashes. Have I had better? Yes. The Kush mascara by Milk Makeup, I just recently tried, and I am blown away by that. It is amazing. Definitely look into that if you can. I'll go ahead and put it in the description box below. It is perfect, but for all in all, it looks good. You know, I'm hoping it doesn't flake. Maybe they fixed that. It was, I think, the blue one, the waterproof one, that I got a lot of the flaking with. So maybe I'll have a winner here. Something else, I'm going to pop back into this guy. Something I want to do is highlight my brow bone. I know you can't really tell on camera, but I love it. I love this. It's a winner. And before I forget, the Too Faced mascara is $24. It says it'll give your lashes a perfect curl. Now, I do notice it did curl my lashes up, so I'll say that's pretty accurate. Okay, the last thing in this box, I don't know that I'm happy about. It is this Trestique lip glaze, And I didn't... Oh my God. I didn't know. Okay, so I opened this up and I realized it's this bright red color. But I was not happy about. But I just read it when I held it up and it says primer inside. It's got a little lippy. A little glossy guy down here. That is so interesting. Does it... Oh my gosh. And there's like a lot in there. I'm blown away by this packaging. This is so cute. And the packaging is magnetic. So it like... Oh, very cool. I put the primer on in a hurry because I got so excited, but it just feels like chapstick. Alright, I'm not excited about this color. It's an English rose, so let's just... One of the issues that I'm having with this is it is so slippery. It's just sliding and slipping right away. Now, I will not be wearing this. This is not my color. This is not my type of product. I'm gonna see if a family member wants this because I do not. I do not like this at all. The application sucked. It was very hard to apply in a straight line. I would do my edges and it would just slip and slide right off. Kind of patchy. I don't like it. Now I don't know if it was slippery because of its primer. Because this just feels like normal chapstick, like the black chapstick you could buy. So I'm not sure if it's necessary to have this primer because it's like literal chapstick. And this is $25 on its own. It's more expensive than the mascara. And it's not that good. Maybe another color that it wasn't so unforgiving if you made a mistake. Because if you make a mistake with red, you're doomed. Okay, everyone. That was everything in my box for the month of February. We had hit after hit after hit. These three were awesome. So glad I have this. Can't wait to use it more. You know how I feel about this already. This is awesome. It's just awesome to get Too Faced and unbox, let alone they're probably their best selling product. I have not used the cleanser yet. I will definitely keep you guys posted. And I will not be using this lip crown glaze, whatever they called it. This definitely the lowest point of the box for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys come back here. I have so many fun things planned. Please feel free to leave a comment. Let me know any suggestions. Let me know if you want to see how I got this look. Any kind of feedback, guys. I'd love to hear it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.